हॅलो विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ इनव्हर्स फंक्शनचा फॉर्म्युला बघितला होता. dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy or dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx provided the term in the denominator should not be 0. थोडक्यात काय तर दिलेला फंक्शन त्याचा इनव्हर्स फंक्शन या दोघांच्या डेरिव्हेटिव्हज घेतल्या तर त्या डेरिव्हेटिव्हज एकमेकाच्या रेसिप्रोकल गुणाकार व्यस्त असतात. तर हा जो फॉर्म्युला आहे याचा उपयोग करून पुढचे काही फॉर्म्युले आपण डिराईव्ह करणार आहोत, पण त्याच्या आधी या फॉर्म्युलाचे व्हेरिफिकेशनचे काही एक्झाम्पल्स एक्झरसाइजमध्ये दिलेत. तर त्यातल्या काही एक्झाम्पल्स आज या ठिकाणी बघूयात की कसं हा फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला व्हेरीफाय करून बघता येईल. चला तसे एक्झाम्पल्स आपण बघू. फाइंड dy by dx for y is equal to f of x using formula for derivative of x is equal to f inverse of y for y is equal to root x. So simply we know that derivative of y is equal to root x is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. But now we can find the same answer using the formula for derivative of inverse function. So see how we are getting this. So this is the example for illustration. We have y is equal to root of x. I will call this as first, considering it as 1 1 and on 2, because to write its inverse function it should be 1 1 and on 2. So domain we will restrict such that x should be positive and there are no other values of y in the codomain. Okay, it's 1 1 and on 2. We'll consider x is equal to, squaring both sides we'll get that's y square. Call this as second. Okay, then now see x is function of y. Differentiate this x with respect to y to get, and see what we are getting now. This dx by dy is equal to d by dy of y square, and d by dy of y square is, this is 2y. I will call this as 3. Okay, now we have formula for derivative of inverse function as dy by dx can be written as 1 upon dx by dy. It is equal to 1 upon, and see value of dx by dy is, dx by dy just we have obtained is 2y. That is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon. Now see, y is function of x, so dy by dx must be in form of x. So we can replace the value of y by a root x, and we are getting the answer 2 into root x. And see, this is the answer. Already we are knowing that, so we have verified it. Got it? Okay. खरं तर दोन्ही फंक्शन्सचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह म्हणजे दिलेला फंक्शन त्याचे इनव्हर्स फंक्शनचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह दोन्ही आपल्याला येत होते. दोन्हीच्या माध्यमातून आपण बघितलं की हा फॉर्म्युला मी काढलेलं उत्तर म्हणजे डायरेक्ट काढलेला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आणि इनव्हर्सच्या मेथडने काढलेलं उत्तर दोन्ही सारखं येतं हे आपण व्हेरीफाय केलं. नाउ विल गो फॉर one more example. Find dy by dx for y is equal to f of x. Here y is equal to e raised to 3. X minus 3 we have taken using formula for derivative of x is equal to f inverse of y. That is, we have to use the formula for derivative of inverse function. So just I will write the answer first. We know that dy by dx is equal to derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, and derivative of minus derivative of 3 is 0. So this should be the final answer, final step. Now you have to go for this answer in reverse direction. So consider the given function y is equal to e raised to x minus 3. I will call this as first. Then to find its inverse function. See, given function is expressed as y is a function of x. For inverse, now you have to express x as function of y. Now we can simplify this and we can express x as function of y. So transfer this 3 on another side. Y is minus 3 is equal to e raised to x, that is e raised to x is equal to 3, and by it is y minus 3. E raised to x is equal to y minus 3, and so by definition of exponential logarithmic functions, they are inverse of each other, so we get here then x is equal to, this is log of y minus 3 again to the base e here, so I'll call this as 2. Now we are getting x as function of y. Differentiate it. With respect to y, as it is function of y, we'll differentiate both sides here. Dx by dy is equal to d by dy of, this is log of y minus 3 to the base e. See, this is composite function because instead of log y, as we are differentiating with respect to y, it should be y here. We have function of y. So we'll use the chain rule. So derivative of log of bracket is 1 upon the bracket into derivative, here derivative with respect to y of the bracket, and the bracket is y minus 3. This is dx by dy. Once again I will repeat this. This is a composite function. We are finding the derivative of composite function. So derivative of outer function, derivative of log of bracket is 1 upon bracket into derivative of bracket. So I have written that here. So it is equal to 1 upon y minus 3 into, now differentiate these two separate. Derivative of y with respect to y is 1 minus derivative of 3 is 0. And so simply we are getting dx by dy is equal to 1 upon y minus 3. I will call this equation 3. But we have formula for derivative of inverse function. What is that formula? Dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. Dx by dy is 1 upon y minus 3, so 1 upon dx by dy will be, its reciprocal, it is y minus 3. But see this 1a here, just we have taken 3 on another side and we are getting e raised to x is equal to y minus 3, or y minus 3 is equal to e raised to x. So we are getting dy by dx is equal to e raised to x, this is by 1a, and we are getting the same answer by using the formula for derivative of inverse. एक्झरसाइज मध्ये अशा आणखीन काही एक्झाम्पल्स दिलेत, नक्की ते सॉल्व करा आणि मग आपण पुढच्या व्हिडिओकडे जाऊयात, पुढच्या टाईपच्या एक्झाम्पल्स मध्ये. आजचा व्हिडिओ याच ठिकाणी थांबवतोय. आवडला असेल तर नक्की लाईक करा, तुमच्या मित्रांना शेअर करा, आणि हो, अजूनही सबस्क्राईब करायचं राहिलं असेल तर चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा, तुमच्या मित्रांनाही सबस्क्राईब करायला सांगा. ठीक आहे, इथंच आपण थांबूया. चला, गुड बाय.